Henceforth, you shall be known as Darth Vader.
Thank you, my master.
Rise.
Are you going to kill me?
Yes.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
You underestimate my power!
Don't try it!
I am the Senate. My powers have doubled since the last time we met, Count.
Good. Twice the pride, double the fall. Sense great fear in you, Skywalker. You have hate. You have anger. But you don't use them.
I am the Senate.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
A few moments later.
Anakin Skywalker, I was expecting someone with your reputation to be a little older.
General Grievous. You're shorter than I expected.
Jedi scum.
Meanwhile.
I am going to end this once and for all.
You can't. I am the Senate.